Hong Kong's crypto revolution, unlocking $100,000 in Asia's premier hub. Reminding you viewers that with our partners Bybit.com, you can get up to $100,000 on a demo account and practice making money on cryptocurrency. Link in the description of this video. Hong Kong has emerged as a key player in the race to become Asia's premier crypto hub, with its launch of the region's first spot crypto ETFs on April 30th, with a day-one inflow of over $130 million across Bitcoin and Ethereum. To gain deeper insight into the implications of this milestone, CryptoSlate spoke with HB Lim, Managing Director of BitGo for the Asia-Pacific region. HB Lim brings a wealth of regulatory and crypto industry experience to the conversation. Before joining BitGo, a leading institutional crypto custody provider, he was a director at Abu Dhabi Global Market, where he helped craft progressive crypto regulatory frameworks. And he previously held roles at the Monetary Authority of Singapore regulating financial institutions. In this exclusive interview, HB Lim analyzes how Hong Kong's spot ETF offerings could impact market forces and investor participation in the region, and shares his perspective on Hong Kong's overall virtual asset regulatory framework and how it compares to contenders like Singapore and the UAE. Lim provides candid insights into areas where Hong Kong's crypto regulations could be enhanced and his outlook for digital assets in Hong Kong and the APAC region, outlined as the following. With Hong Kong's spot ETF set to launch on April 30th, how do you anticipate this will impact the region's crypto market dynamics and investor participation? Currently, the primary markets are in North America and Europe, meaning spot crypto ETFs are not available for trading during much of Asian trading hours, incongruous with the 24/7 market crypto represents. As such, having spot crypto ETFs in Hong Kong provides investors with more complete trading hours to access crypto. Some investors might prefer not to trade spot crypto ETFs listed in North America or Europe for reasons such as less favorable taxes or restrictions by their regulator. Hong Kong spot crypto ETFs provide another option for such investors, who may find Hong Kong provides advantages regarding taxes and regulatory access. The offering of spot crypto ETFs in Hong Kong will deepen liquidity in Hong Kong crypto markets and give rise to a supporting ecosystem of crypto exchanges, crypto custodians, banks, brokers, and professional services. Given your regulatory background, how do you assess Hong Kong's overall virtual asset regulatory framework? Is it striking the right balance between innovation and investor protection? Hong Kong has developed a comprehensive and robust virtual asset regulatory framework and should be lauded for that. Nonetheless, there are areas which could be enhanced, such as the need to create a regulatory framework for independent virtual asset custodians to provide an additional option for custody, and calibrating Hong Kong's proposed regulatory framework for over-the-counter trading of virtual assets. Currently, virtual asset exchanges in Hong Kong are only allowed to use virtual asset custody services provided by a subsidiary company. Banks that wish to provide virtual asset custody but outsource the service are only allowed to use virtual asset custody services provided by a Hong Kong licensed virtual asset exchange or another Hong Kong licensed bank. Virtual asset exchanges and banks in Hong Kong are not allowed to use specialist third-party independent virtual asset custodians, which limits options in the market. There is currently no licensing regime by the Hong Kong SFC or Hong Kong Monetary Authority for independent virtual asset custodians in Hong Kong. A thriving Web3 industry requires the support of specialist independent virtual asset custodians. Virtual asset wallets are the gateway to Web3. And proper custody and protection of virtual assets are essential to building trust in the industry. As such, Hong Kong could benefit from developing a regulatory framework for independent virtual asset custodians to be licensed, providing a complementary option to virtual asset custody in Hong Kong. On the OTC trading front, Hong Kong has recently issued a consultation paper proposing to regulate OTC trading of virtual assets. The proposals appear rather restrictive in that they propose allowing OTC trading desks to only offer crypto to fiat trading pairs and limit crypto that can be traded to only those approved for trading on licensed exchanges in Hong Kong. The proposals appear more targeted at brick-and-mortar shops in Hong Kong, offering retail customers the ability to buy and sell crypto assets, and appear less suited to Institutional OTC trading desks that do not deal with retail clients and which follow robust compliance programs, including Know Your Customer checks. The OTC trading proposals could perhaps benefit from a separate regime for institutional OTC trading desks that recognizes the lower risk such desks pose. With Singapore and the UAE also vying to become Asia's premier crypto hub, how do you think Hong Kong's spot ETF offerings will bolster its competitive position? Hong Kong offering spot crypto ETFs will likely attract more Web3 firms, investors, and talent to sink roots in Hong Kong, leading to a virtuous cycle of growth in the Web3 ecosystem there. What excites you most about the future of digital assets in Hong Kong and the APAC region, and how does BitGo plan to contribute to this evolution in the coming years? Virtual asset wallets are the gateway and foundation of Web3. And virtual asset wallet and custody providers like BitGo are crucial players in any Web3 ecosystem. BitGo has been active in the APAC region for many years, and we remain bullish on Web3 adoption and growth in Hong Kong and the rest of APAC. As a firm that places security and regulatory compliance first, we look forward to continuing to contribute to the Web3 ecosystem in Hong Kong and the rest of APAC through our thought leadership and supporting firms with our safe and trusted virtual asset wallets and prime brokerage services. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it interesting and informative. Catch you in the next one!